Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use tasks. Let's begin. Now, before you can use the task on Evernote, ensure you have the latest version of the Evernote app on your mobile device, because Evernote tasks were introduced as feature in the Evernote 10.0 or 2021. So if your app is out of date, make sure to update it first. All right, so once you are here in the homepage of your Evernote app, there is a section here that says New Note, which is the green one or the green card, and the purple card for a new task. All you have to do, if you haven't already, just create a new task. For example, we're going to write in something like now. Essentially, you can click the arrow here if you want. It has now been added to the things to do. Or there is a drop down menu wherein you can go to the note, essentially using this task to all of these. All right, so I'm gonna put it here and click on that. And from here, I can add more information. For example, since I have already created the task, not only that, you can insert a task, attachment, and an image as well, right? Now, after that, since you have already created the task and use it as part of your note, you have now the option to share this and forward this note to your client. To if you are part of a collaborative environment, you can share them to your team members, or if you're working with multiple freelancers. But make sure you give them an access level. For example, they can edit an invite, or they can only view or edit, whichever you prefer. All right. And again, another option is if you go to the task right here, Deep Lab task, right? You can put in a due date. For example, is it going to be due date today at a time if you want, or if you wanted to have it like a recurring task, if you click the repeat, it's going to be you have an option for the weekly. Is it going to be weekly or a monthly? Interval is like 1 month. Obviously, month is on the 6th or 5th, depending on your preferences. All right. Click on done. After the custom recurrence, and then you see this flag right here, that is signaling that this task is very important and very urgent. All right. You can also click this bell button right here to add a reminder. For example, at due date 1 week before our custom, and click the add reminder. All right. Plus the icon here is if you wanted to assign this to a team member, which is really helpful, especially in our case. In Deep Labs YouTube channel, we are a handful of talented individuals who work in different areas. One is handling the creatives, one is researching, one is creating the back end. So for example, here I'm add the name of the contributor and click on done. All right, and then the 3 dots here signifies all the settings that you have chosen so far. All right, and if you want to delete this, just click the delete task, but we're not going to do that. Instead, we're going to forward this to added things to do. All right, now if you want to move the task, go to move task right here, and you have all these options for you. Click the Deep Labs and click this and click on done. Basically, that's how you use tasks here in Evernote. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.